Thank you for continuing to walk with me through this journey of guardianships in our Guardianship 101 section. Within this video, however, I want to talk about emergency guardianships. Usually, it's not an emergency when a guardianship comes up. Usually you have a special needs child, a special needs adult, and then you can go get an independent medical evaluation and walk through the process of getting a guardianship. However, there are times when there's a need for an emergency guardian. There's a time when you can't wait the regular time. It may be because of some immediate incapacity. Maybe that person was in an accident and they have no loved ones to step up. Maybe a neighbor has to step up, or maybe it is a loved one, but there's a need to make immediate decisions and that person who is incapacitated doesn't have a medical POA or a durable POA. So an emergency guardianship is one of those situations wherein you have to take steps immediately and you can't wait for the regular guardianship process. So this is what you need to know in a situation like that. Just like in a regular guardianship, you want to file your application, but within that application, you want the court to know the emergency nature and that you want a temporary guardianship to be in place. This one doesn't stay in place for long. It just stays in place for a couple of weeks, more like 2 months. But what that does, it buys you time to go and get a regular guardianship. In fact, sometimes a temporary guardianship is all you need because the incapacity that this person has is just temporary. So they may be in a medical induced coma and they're going to be in the medical induced coma for a period of time, but you expect that after that process, they're going to recover, they're going to regain capacity, and there's no need for the guardianship. And so in a situation like that, that's just a temporary guardianship. However, it may be a situation wherein somebody needs to make surgical decision for someone right away, or somebody acutely fall into some kind of mental health illness and there is a need for a guardian. Many times, however, this comes into play when you have an elderly neighbor and that elderly neighbor is living in squalor, in really bad conditions. And then when you find out, you may reach out to the court, hey court, this is what's going on. And then that might be a situation for a temporary guardianship. But within that context, you still go through the probate court, you still go through the filing process. These are more expedited hearings. You get to the hearing much faster, but they're usually temporary. My name is Megan Truick. If you like this video, go ahead, click subscribe so that you get first knowledge of more videos like this. And thank you again for watching. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.